A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Hope you have done your test nicely. Now, in this period, we will be going to do the revision uh, of message writing. We have already done it, and today we will be going to do the revision of message writing. Okay. So, what is message first of all? Message is a way to communicate or to share our thoughts and feeling. And when we are writing the messages, the message are divided into various categories. So in your book also you can find that the message is written in order to, if we are going to apologize for something, so message to apologize. Sometimes we write the message in order to thank someone, so it is written to express our thanks. Then we also write the message when we want to express our sympathy. So here we can find that our message writing can be done in three basic categories. So today we will be going to deal with all the three. Okay, first of all, once again, what is message? It is a way to communicate our thoughts and feeling. We are sharing our thoughts and feeling with the help of message writing. So let us begin with the message to apologize. So the word apologize means when we are feeling sorry or when we are regretting for what we have done. For that we write the message to apologize. So here everybody makes mistakes. It is we are human being, and it is a saying also, to err is a human and to divine is forgive. So here, as we know that we commit the mistake, everyone, whether it is you, whether it is me, all of us commits mistakes. So it is important that we should apologize for what we have done. So a short apology message will make both you and the person feel better. If we repent for what we have done and we are expressing our sorry for the thing, finally the person we will also be very relaxed, and after that the person to whom we are sending the message will also feel better that okay, the person realizes mistake. So whenever we write this type of message writing, we have to use some of these expressions. So you can find some of the expressions are already given in our book. So we write, I am sorry for being late yesterday. This is just an example. Okay, I apologize for forgetting the things. I am sorry I was rude to you, or I am sorry that my action or words hurts you. So these are some of the categories in which we write the message to apologize for the things which we have done. Okay, so we can write the message to apologize for basically with these expressions. I am sorry, I apologize for the things. I am again sorry, I was very rude, or I am sorry that my action might have hurt you. Then we write the second form of message where we express our thanks. So this is often this type of message is often written in a situation where we have needed people to help us, and at that very time when we write the message of thanks, we use some of the expressions like thank you so much, or thanks a lot, thank you, I really appreciate for that, or thank you, I couldn't have. So you can see with the help of the picture in the the message to apologize, here also you will find that how the person is asking or expressing his sorry for for the things, and he is asking for the forgiveness, and the other person also feel better. Then here in the message when we write to express our thanks, you can see how the person is thanking for what he has done. So here where we have needed people to help us, right there writing a short message is a nice way to thank them for their help. So these are some of the again expressions where we are expressing our thanks to the people. Then coming to the third one, here the message to express sympathy. When we are having when we feel that a person is in a difficult situation, and they feel lonely, and at that very time when they feel that nobody can understand their pain others than themselves, then we write a letter of sympathetic letter to let the person know that you care for them. And at at that very moment when we write the message in order to express the sympathy towards the person who is facing difficulty in his life, and when he feel lonely at that time, we can help the person by writing a message including some of the expressions like I am saddened by your loss, if a person has lost one of the dearest person, or I am with you in this time of sorrow. When we find that the person is in a difficult situation at that time, when we lend our hand, helping hand to the person feel better. Then words cannot express how sad this makes me feel. So these are some of the expressions which we can use so that a person can feel better, that yes, there is someone behind me and who also feel the problem or pain which I am going through. And then the other way of writing is, please know that my thoughts and best wishes are with you at this time. So you will find that whether we are talking about the message of apologize, message to express thanks, message to express sympathy, we are using different expressions. So here in our book, in page number 24, you will come to know that there is a message written in which the person is expressing the sorry about the dog. So how to write is, you can see that there is a box. We have to write whenever we are writing the notice, whenever we are writing diary entry, whenever we are writing the messages, we have to write everything by making a box. Inside that box everything has to be written. So here as you can see, the box is given. So what is the title? Why are you writing the message? That can be written on the top. Then on the left hand extreme corner, as you can see, you can mention the date, you can mention the time. Then after that, salutation is must. Okay, so when we are writing the salutation, we can express the word like respected or dear, or if we are talking with our friend also, we can write hi, hello and so on. So salutation is required. So on the top it is the topic, why are you writing that, then the date followed by the time, then the salutation, and after the salutation it comes the body of the message, where you will whenever we start the message, we should always start with the expression as I told you before. So here as they are talking about the dog, so the person has written that I am really sorry to hear the news of the Leslie passing away. So here the dog is no more, and finally Rishabh is Mehak is writing a letter to Rishabh, and she is expressing her feeling about the loss. And then she is writing that I know that you were very close to the dog. So she made you laugh even when you are in difficult time. I cannot imagine how hard it must be for you right now. Try to think of the good memories that you have with the dog. Then I am here with you, and if you feel like talking, so take care. And then finally the conclusion. So when we do the subscription, at last we can add, if we are writing to our parents, we can write yours beloved daughter or beloved son, or if we are writing to our friend, we can write, as in the book it is written, love. So we can write that word as a subscription. We don't have to write thanking you there, because we are writing a letter to our friend. Okay, sorry, the message to the friend. So we can write the subscription by using such type of words, yours beloved daughter, or yours besties, or the words which we are using. Okay, so here in the book it is written love. So I hope now you have understood that message can be written in 3 basic form. One is the message to apologize, message to express thanks, and message to express our sympathy. Okay, so this is all about today's class. This is just a revision, because these lessons are there for your examination. So prepare well all the writing skills which is given in your book. And the more I will get the classes, I will be going on giving you guiding you how to write the things. Okay, so till then, take care of your health. Bye.